Hello everyone. As I said in my previous video that there are two ways of doing quantum programming. One is IBM Qiskit, another one is Google CIRQ. So I have shown in my previous video how to install Qiskit and start working on the quantum programming. So in subsequent video I'll show the actual quantum program using Qiskit. So in this video I'm going to install CIRQ and show you some of the links where you can start working on the quantum programs using Google CIRQ. So if you have seen my previous video installation, I have installed Anaconda PowerShell prompt. So this is Anaconda PowerShell prompt. If you click, it opens up, and you can see, make sure that you have Python higher version 3.7 and higher version installed in your laptop or any system you are using to start working on Google CIRQ or IBM Qiskit. So you can check this on using the pip fridge. So it will show you the list of the application installed under Python, and I have already installed my Qiskit here, as well as I'll show you Qiskit here. So this is my Qiskit here. This is what it is, and Google CIRQ also is there. So Google CIRQ is C. So this is Google CIRQ also installed. For you, this will be the command to install Google CIRQ. So what you have to do is you have to say pip install CIRQ. Okay, so this will install Google CIRQ. Once the installation is done, you can type the same command pip and freeze to see whether actually installation is done or not, because sometimes you type the command but something happens and the installation doesn't work properly. So once the installation is done, you can close this one, and I have a link stored in my laptop. I'm going to click that to start Google CIRQ. So this opens up, and it doesn't require the editor. Actually, they provide their internal built-in editor which directly connects with their library and system and start working on this one. It does actually exclusive installation for CIRQ. So I just wonder whether that specific explicit installation of Google CIRQ is required or not. So we can try that also without installing, and should work. Actually, there is no relationship between that and this one. So there could be multiple way of doing Google CIRQ. So once this one is done, this is a way to start working on Google CIRQ. So if I just show you how to this, if you click it, it checks whether okay, this is not that actually, because this is going to fail. So it checks here, import CIRQ, and then if it is not already done, it will install the CIRQ temporarily, and then it will import CIRQ library. So it is running here, and then sometimes it gives error, but don't worry, re-click it again. See, it is installing CIRQ here, and it will take its own time to install. So every time you open this screen, this collab.research.google.com/drive and all those links, the bigger link, it will install every time and then import the library. So from here you can start working on Google CIRQ. So in my next video I'll show you how to actually start working on some of the sample program of quantum computer using Google CIRQ. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.